Alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the Ehang Ghost Drone 2.0. I got it a couple weeks ago or whatever it was, week and a half ago, and I did the unboxing and then I never did anything with it again. That's because the battery is no good. Okay, the battery is bad in it. I got a hold of Ehang. I sent them an email. They responded to me right away. It took them like 2 days, which is good for China. Okay, believe me. I sent an email to G10 when the Up Air 1 fell out of the sky and exploded, and I didn't get that thing resolved for 3 months. Even though they did resolve it and did take care of it, but it took 3 months. 2 months or something like that. It was a long time. It took a long time just to even get a hold of them. But I sent the Ehang. I went to their website and did a customer service email. In 2 days they got back to me. I haven't responded back to their email yet. But all I have to do, they want me to send a picture of the battery and give them the serial number of the battery. And so at least they contacted me. So I'm not, I'm not all bummed out about it. It's just what it is, I have plenty of toys to play with. But I will tell you one thing. In that package, I got that thing for $99. So, I'm not even disappointed. Okay, because this thing that comes with it is worth that. Okay, alone. This is the camera that comes with the Ghost Drone, the one I ordered. Okay, I seen this camera advertised on Amazon for $250. This camera is awesome. Okay, now it does not have a screen on the back, but it has a little screen here in the front. And it's very easy to set up. You just turn it on and you just scroll through the menus. You just do the power on, scroll through the menus with these buttons here. And this is the select button, would be the button you would start the recording. But this camera, it does 4K at 120 frames per second and slow-mo and 4K time-lapse. And I checked some of the video quality. It's really nice. Okay, this camera alone is worth $99. Okay, for what I paid for the whole damn quadcopter. This camera alone is worth that. Okay, and this camera here, this thing is heavy. This is not like the Magoo. Okay, this thing's way heavier than the Magoo. You could just feel it when you pick it up. You can feel the quality of this thing. Okay, plus it's got a huge battery in it for one of these. Here, let me check real quick if I could take the battery out. Yeah, it's a 1680 milliamp hour. I don't think that a lot of these cameras have 1680s in them that I can recall, batteries that big. To my knowledge, let me look at this Magoo. I hate to open this thing because the door mechanism is so shoddy and so cheap that once you open it, then it's hard to get it back closed and it's hard to get the door to stay closed. This is only a 1000, okay? So the battery in that thing is way bigger. Well, at least 2/3 bigger. Let's put it that way. But anyway, the Magoo's a good camera too. Don't get me wrong. It's a good camera. But it's not as good as this thing. Not even close. This thing has the real high, super high bit rates and all that stuff, It's a real nice camera, real nice. But anyway, like I said, this thing alone is worth $99. So, if it don't work out for the Ghost Drone, one of these days I'll pick up a battery for it. But I'm not going to go buy and pay no $150 for a battery. If I find one for $80 or something laying around somewhere, I might pick it up, but I'm not going to invest twice what I paid for the quadcopter in a battery. That's not going to happen. So if Ehang can't satisfy me, then the thing will just sit there and I'll just use the camera. Okay? That's fine with me. I got enough toys to play with. All right, guys. Have a nice day.